All right, guys, last assignment for the week is going to be pedigree practice. So the day before you learned most of what you need to learn about pedigrees, and then Friday we're going to practice with it. So when you click the assignment, this is what it looks like. You are going to watch a short video, I think 1 or 2 minutes, and then you're going to input the correct answers just to review pedigrees one more time, and then you are going to answer the questions. So for this one, if the table is too big, then you need to zoom out. So this magnifying glass up here, you need to come down so it can all fit on your screen. You might need to be more than that because my screen might be bigger than your Chromebook, but you need to zoom out or come over here and zoom out. And then you're going to determine which generation is it. Do that, and then for each one, you're going to determine what it is. Is he or she affected? Is it female or male? Is it unaffected, or is it just a carrier? And make sure you read this information because it's very helpful. And then you're going to do that for all of these different parts. And then you are going to read this pedigree chart for dimples. You're going to determine, is the pedigree chart for are dimples dominant or recessive for this pedigree chart? And then you can determine how you know, just think about it, how you know that, and then put your answer, and then how many members of this family have dimples. So it's going to be a number. And then you're going to determine how many children did individuals I1 and I2 have. So I1, I2, and then so on and so forth. If you do not understand what you're doing here, please email me. Do not sit there confused and not answer these questions and fail. I want you to do well. Come to my Google Meet. Set up another Google Meet, email me, and we can work something out, but you need to get to work on this. And then for this one, you're reading another pedigree chart for Tay-Sachs. Just quickly read about Tay-Sachs. And then you're going to answer these 2 questions. Which individual has Tay-Sachs disease? So you're going to, when you put your answer, you need to put which generation you're talking about because there are multiple ones. So if you just put the number 1, that's wrong. So you need to tell me which generation it is, and then which individual in the chart. And then that's what you're going to put. So I have an example right here. And then how many carriers of Tay-Sachs disease are in this chart, and then you're going to put the number. And then this is one for unibrows, and then you're going to determine, is unibrow dominant or recessive? You're going to put that word in this box. And then you're going to determine, is unibrow, how many individuals in this pedigree have a unibrow? And then you're going to count, and then you're going to put the number in the box. And then you're going to practice quizzes with pedigrees. And if you have any questions, let me know one more time. If you're not understanding pedigrees at all, please let me know. All right. Have a great weekend if you finish all your work. If not, get to work.